morning. It's Tuesday and we are going to the Polynesian for breakfast at Kona Cafe. Yay!
It's tradition.
It's tradition. We always go to Kona.
If you get that reference, we can be friends.
Love that movie. Anyway, we're gonna go there, get some good breakfast, maybe walk around outside if it's not too, I don't know, it was rainy all night, so I'm hoping that it's, fingers crossed, it's not rainy today. We brought our raincoats just to be safe, but hopefully we won't need those. Sorry, we have the GPS going. But anyway, we'll take you along the way and for breakfast. I know we've been there before, so you guys have seen it before if you've watched any of our older vlogs, but if you're new and you haven't seen it, well, this will be your first time, so enjoy. Here we go. Oops. Here it is, here it is. It's so cute. I love the holly. So pretty. So this is the front part of Polynesian whenever you're walking in. There's Jen. You got little tiki men. The fires are going. It's so pretty.
Like perfect timing, 7:30.
Wow. Oh, look at this one. Just a little baby one. And then up there, that's the monorail. There it is. Looks so nice in here. Makes me want to go to Hawaii. Well, we're gonna head up to our reservation. Let's get some food. We made it upstairs. Ohana just started up. We heard their little morning tune. And then Kona's right across the way. I love these. We made it. Here's the menu. I love the side. Light affair, entrees, sides, specialty beverages, non-alcoholic specialty beverages, and the Kona Coffee juices. We're debating, get the press pot or just get a regular coffee. Choices. Yes. Here we go.
Pressing the pot.
So exciting. Our waitress is super nice. Her name is Lindsay, and she gave us caramel and hazelnut flavor for our coffee because we like to have a little bit of sweetness with it.
And I swear we think we had her before.
Yeah, I think we've had her before. She's great.
Okay.
Alright, what did you get? I got the egg platter. I think that was the name of it. And it comes with fruit, potatoes, your choice of meat, eggs, and then a pastry. And they don't have the Mickey-shaped pastry anymore. They just do a muffin. So that's okay. Not the end of the world, but that's pretty good. It's good. Scrambled eggs. Can't miss scrambled eggs. How's your coffee? Oh, coffee? Delicious. Perfect.
It's good. And then I got the same thing I got last time, this Samoan breakfast, which is poached eggs with hollandaise and like a turkey hash on below, and it's on like a, I don't know, English muffin? I can't remember now.
It looks
It's really so good though. We're going to enjoy.
Yum. We're here. Disney Springs isn't even open yet, and it's crazy already. Sunny, sunny. There's the Lime Garage. We had to make a quick bathroom break, but now we're on our way to the world of Disney. Are you ready for the world of Disney?
No.
What? World of Disney.
Ready. Shop till I don't
Drop.
have any more money.
Woohoo! Which is very easily done. We've seen so many funny shirts that say like, instead of like best day ever, like guys have been wearing shirts that say most expensive day ever. It's true. Very true. There it is. Looks good. Wow.
It's Christmas overload. Oh my gosh, I love it. What? This is amazing. I just love all the Christmas stuff. They've got so many ornaments. I have to find, oh, here's mine. I collect the hats. Ooh. They got a lot of them. What did you find?
I got this cute dish towel.
Oh,
Look at how cute this is. It's a candle.
they've got so many stuff.
Well, look at that.
Is that your mug that you want?
Yeah, this is the mug I want.
Cute. How much is that?
14.
Nice. They have really upped their t-shirt game. They have so many t-shirts. Literally just like so many t-shirts. Love it. These are I don't know how much these are. They're $24.99, or at least that one was. But if you buy two, they're $20 each. So they've really upped their graphic t-shirt game by a lot. You need a mug? Don't worry. Disney's got a whole bunch for you.
Don't worry.
Look at all these. I mean, just so many mugs. That one's cute.
Right? It was like
Be nice.
not remember I was sick that day.
They got coffee. This is good coffee. There's the prices. And the cocoa's really good. So we just did some damage. Jen, what'd you get? Anything good?
I got a Spirit jersey, Christmas one. We got ornaments.
Oh.
We got a Christmas cutting board, Christmas towel.
So much. Now we're going to Basin. And you got a calendar.
Calendar.
Yes, we love this place. Ooh. I love how they're decorated for Christmas. This is cute. Villain dress. We've got so many cute dresses in here. We're in the co-op. And they have wonderful dresses in here. Lots of bags. Lots of stuff. Oh, look, it's a chip dress. And they even have all these accessories to go with it. Adorable. Getting anything. We're back. Disney Springs, round 2. Waiting for dinner, but it's really pretty. So we made it to the Boathouse for our reservation. Here is a view of their menu. And obviously you can look online to see the entire thing. But there's lots of good looking things. Thinking about getting the fried wild-caught Atlantic surf clam strips, and then the calamari to start. And Jen was looking at the New England lobster roll. Lots of yummy looking things. Can you tell where we're going? Pandora. Pandora.
Oh, yeah.
We just finished dinner at the Boathouse. It was delicious, right?
Kim had
Oh, hold on.
drinky poo.
I'm super zoomed in.
Oh Lord, let's cut on that one.
Let's super zoom out. I had a drink because I felt like I was getting a cold, so I was like, maybe I should have some hot peppers and vodka.
That sounds funny when you say it.
It was a weird mix, but it was actually pretty good. I had the lemon drop martini. Or lemon martini. It reminded me of like a lemon drop
shot basically, and that's why I was thinking it was the lemon drop martini, but it was really good. And now we're gonna go, we have fast pass for Everest and then Navi River? Yes, Navi River. So we'll take you along the way. It looks like it's busy. That's okay. We're here just to have fun, so who cares? Okay. We made it in. We got a fast pass at 5:30. Which fast pass for are you excited for the most?
All of them.
All 2 of them. We're gonna get our picture taken. This is my kind of walkway. Empty. I love it. Waterfalls. There it is, there it is. We're having a meltdown over here. There it is. Get to line up. So there's Everest, and we literally have never been over to this little corner and seen any of this stuff, but it's pretty cool. And they do have this stuff out for getting ready for Rivers of Light. We're getting closer. There it is. Jen, are you pumped? Are you pumped?
I'm very excited.
I love this ride. Jen, get your boots and your gear. Let's go. This is actually really pretty. Doug and Russell is up. Oh, look at the lights. It's really pretty through here. We just got off Everest and literally it's nighttime. The joy of time change and it being 6 o'clock and literally already bedtime. It's so pretty. I love all the bright lights. We made it to Pandora at night. Ooh. So pretty. We're gonna go ride Navi River and then honestly we might head out and get to see the, what is it called, the lighting up? No, it's not the
Tree Awakening.
The Tree Awakening. There it is. How cool. Doesn't get old, or at least it hasn't got old yet. I know.
Navi Christmas.
A Navi Christmas tree. Very pretty. I don't know that we've ever been on this at nighttime, so we haven't walked through here at night, but so pretty. Just like the rest of Pandora at night. We're sweaty. It's very muggy. Obviously, we're like
In the kingdom.
musty.
Oh, look at
muggy.
the shine.
Yeah, see, it's very sweaty. But we wanted to say good night. Had a good day. It was kind of a rest, easy day. But
We still got in a couple rides.
Yep, we got a couple rides. Always enjoy Everest, and we had fun on Navi River.
Yeah.
Very thankful for pass passes because I don't want to stand in a line for that ride, but good time, good time.
It was fun.
Yeah.
And we got to see the jumping show.
Oh yeah, that was cool. We never got to see that before, so
No.
that was pretty cool. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Night.
Good night.